Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we think is the best Chefman Dual Air Fryer on the market right now. The Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven. If you've been looking for an air fryer that can multitask, save you time, and still deliver crispy, delicious results, this one might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Let's take a closer look and see exactly why. Right out of the box, this air fryer makes a great first impression. It's got a sleek, modern design in black and gray that fits right in with most kitchen aesthetics. The unit feels sturdy, with high-quality plastic and metal components, and it doesn't take up an overwhelming amount of counter space. Its dimensions are just over 13 inches deep, nearly 12 inches wide, and about 10.5 inches tall, making it compact but powerful. Now, let's talk features. The standout here is the dual basket setup. You get two independent 3-quart baskets that allow you to cook two different items at once, without mixing flavors or interrupting the cooking process. This brings the total capacity to 6 quarts, which is perfect for small to medium-sized families. And if you're someone who struggles to time everything just right, the sync finish function is a game changer. It ensures that both baskets finish cooking at the same time, even if they started at different temperatures or durations. Chefman has loaded this air fryer with smart features that really elevate the experience. You can go from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you a wide temperature range to work with. Whether you're roasting veggies, reheating leftovers, or cooking up some crispy wings, you've got plenty of flexibility. And yes, there's a high fry setting too, for those times when you want that extra crunch without deep frying. Another thoughtful touch is the easy view windows built right into the baskets. No more opening the basket mid-cook just to see what's going on. You can literally watch your food crisp up in real time, which helps with precision cooking and saves heat loss. It's one of those small details that makes a big difference in everyday use. Cleanup is also a breeze. Both baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, so you're not stuck scrubbing after dinner. Just pop them out, rinse if needed, and into the dishwasher they go. The automatic shut-off and mute option add to the convenience and safety, especially for busy households. Under the hood, this thing is powered by 1,700 watts, so it heats up fast and cooks efficiently. It runs on standard 120 volts, which is perfect for US outlets, though you might need a converter if you're using it internationally. So, who is this for? If you love fried food but want to keep things on the healthier side, and especially if you're someone who wants to cook two different dishes at once, like chicken and fries, or fish and veggies, this air fryer is made for you. It saves time, reduces oil use, and still delivers restaurant-quality crispiness. In short, the Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer is more than just an appliance, it's a serious kitchen upgrade. If you're ready to streamline dinner and cook smarter, this one's definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've used this air fryer or have questions we can help with. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.